You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos coming up for you. This is the name of a molecule found in kratom, or some say kratom, and there are different pronunciations even for the name of this molecule, so it's always very confusing. Mitragynine is how it's pronounced in one way. Mitragynine, also mitragynine, or mitragynine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.